তো ৱেলকাম বেক মাই ইউটিউব চেনেল আৰু নেক্সট এপিচ'ড হয় এইটো মাজুলীৰ আৰু মই এতিয়া গৈ আছোঁ লখিমপুৰ বিহপুৰীয়া বুলি কয় আৰু তাত যাম আৰু আগৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আপোনালোকে গৰু গা ধোৱা সম্পূৰ্ণ ভিডিঅ' দেখা পালে আৰু নেক্সট আমি আজি গৰু বিহুৰ দিনাখন ৰাস্তাত যিবিলাক দেখা পাওঁ সকলো ভিডিঅ' কৰি লৈ যাম আৰু দুটা ঘাট পাৰ হ'ব লাগিব আৰু ঘাটৰ ভিডিঅ' আপোনালোকক দেখাব ট্ৰাই কৰিম। স্কুটি লৈ যাম মোৰখন চ' start.
With a heart filled with lot of expectations to counter various experiences, we are moving through this road. The road seems to be quite developed, but there are various reasons and various pitfalls still there in the road, and we will find all those pitfalls and all the various barriers which will appear in front of our journey. And this road seems to be quite developed after various socio-political developments in the region. The road seems to be quite developed, but now you can see we have arrived in a road where the road seems to be quite dilapidated, and it poses a great challenge for us to pass through the road. And although we have various such difficulties, we are moving through the road. The journey is surely a lot difficult. It is quite difficult for us to go through these types of dilapidated road conditions, but still we are moving only to show you the various cultures, the various experiences that we will counter throughout the journey. Now you can see we are moving through a very bad bridge. The bridge is totally, we can say, dismantled, and you can see how dangerous it is for us to move through this bridge. There are various chances that we may fall from this bridge. Even the bridge seems to be quite insecure, and you can see there is no there is no security for us. We have to pay 30 rupees in order to cross the bridge. This 30 rupees is not to be is worth to be mentioned, because though we pay 30 rupees, we do not get any security, or we are not given any card or any such thing which will secure that if there is by chance any accident in our journey, we will be paid, or we will be given our due. But you can see we are moving through the bridge, and through such dilapidated road conditions and bridges, we are moving to our destination. You can see the scenario seems to be quite interesting also at the same time. And as we are so cheerful in order to counteract with various experiences, we are moving through the road, moving through all such situations even. And you can see how the road is surrounded by various trees. Natural beauty is really commendable, and we are moving through the road. This road seems to be quite destroyed by the rainfall. We are moving through this road. We are going and going with a heart filled with lot of expectations to witness various the green scenery attracts our cheerful minds and hearts. The heart is delighted, the mind has been refreshed, and of course the eyes have been satisfied by the green scenario. But at the same time, when we again counter the dilapidated road condition, we are again disappointed by the various. It actually reflects the various socio-political steps and the various schemes of the government, that the schemes have failed to ensure the people a safe and quite secure connectivity. We are going through, as you can see, the area is quite remote, and though we have to, at the same time, it is also salient to note that the government has already made various connectivities from Majuli to Lakhimpur, but these remote places have still not been touched by such initiatives. These remote areas still seem to be so isolated from the mainstream. So definitely one of our this will be one of our, this is one of our initiatives that we can show these lacunae behind all the various steps taken by the government to ensure road connectivity. And now we are going through the ferry. As you can see, at the same time you can also see one point, that the ferry is quite overcrowded.